that. Oh, next.
That one, no seatbelt. Went down.
Oh, no seatbelt, you'll be fell down. Oh,
And that one,
what's that one?
like mommy.
It's like Mami Chok Chok.
Yeah.
Ano yan? Nebulizer. Oh, ano pa?
Sabi niya?
Mami Chok Chok nebulizer. Yung oxygen. Oh, ano pa? Oo nga.
Why was that for?
What's that for? Oxygen.
No, it's that people and go oxygen.
Maybe they cannot breathe. They need oxygen. They cannot breathe properly. And then oxygen.
And people?
Hmm.
What's that?
Oh, what's that?
Seatbelt.
Seatbelt.
And together with my team of one
What's that?
Pacific, taking first
Mhm. Oxygen.
We are now ready to depart for Clark, Philippines. In command of the aircraft is Captain Segovia.
And what's that?
Oxygen.
Assisted by First Officer Sabuco. Our flight time is approximately 3 hours and 10 minutes.
No, 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 no.
Sino ba hintay?
No, that one sama. No, sama. No, sama.
Naka-seat siguro 9:30. Wag head. Magkano matagal?
Yes, sama. No, sama.
9:30 yung pinaka, at least 5 minutes.